some breaking news this morning. Sources are telling SABC News that Dr. Mareka Nchani, who is known as Dr. Pashy, has written a cease, desist and retract letter to the Home Affairs Minister, Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi, over what she says are wrongful defamatory statements, you would recall, in a 14th of April press conference regarding her passports that were found in possession of Dr. Nandipha Makudumana, and that was in Tanzania. So essentially, Dr. Pashy wants the Home Affairs Minister to issue a formal withdrawal and public apology. This is 5 days from May the 8th. I'm told that this letter was written on May the 8th. And if it is not done, she says in this letter, which has been confirmed by Dr. Pashy's lawyers as authentic, that she will institute legal proceedings for damages. So that's part of what is taking place at this stage. Dr. Pashy also says that the Home Affairs Minister's statements in the presser, she says, gave unfounded legitimacy to averments that she was allegedly involved in aiding Dr. Nandipha and Bester to abscond. In addition to what she says in that letter, she details how she came into having 2 passports. And while her passports had not expired, she says one of them had run out of the required number of pages. You would recall that is stamp space, where when you are leaving South Africa, there'd be a stamp that is put on those passports. Hence, she says she had to apply for another one. She also says in that desist, resist and retract letter that has been sent to Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi, she also just basically says at this point that, Dr. Motsoaledi had incited what she says to the public gallery, that she has a criminal case to answer. This is all that is contained in this letter. And another example that she also gives in this letter, she says that Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi had said that Dr. Pashy had applied for a new passport in 2019, saying in an affidavit deposed to police that the first had been stolen. This is the first passport. So in this letter that Dr. Pashy has sent to Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi, who her lawyer has confirmed is authentic, she wants Dr. Motsoaledi to provide that police report or affidavit which he said was used in an application for that new or second passport. She says that she never presented an affidavit to Home Affairs for the application of that passport. So essentially, this letter, we understand, which has been confirmed by Dr. Pashy's lawyers as being authentic, he basically says that that letter is authentic and has been sent to Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi's office. So essentially, she wants a retraction, a public apology, because she feels that the statements that were made in that press conference in April, she says, contained defamatory statements, and there was an assertion that was made that she has a criminal case to answer. This is a developing story, and I must clarify a part here as well, that the SABC only contacted Home Affairs this morning because we wanted to confirm or verify the authenticity of this document in SABC News' possession. So that document has been confirmed as authentic by Dr. Pashy's lawyers. So I only contacted Home Affairs this morning, and they said they are going to establish whether that letter has been received, if there is such a letter. But on the other end, Dr. Pashy's lawyers have confirmed that the letter that is in SABC News' possession, which calls for a retraction from Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi on these alleged statements that Dr. Pashy says were defamatory, she basically wants a retraction on that. And if that does not happen, she says that she will be taking legal action against Dr. Aaron Motsoaledi, who is the Home Affairs Minister.